In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text density and spacing in Gmail. This simple yet effective customization can greatly enhance your email experience by allowing you to view your inbox in a way that suits your preferences. Whether you prefer a more spacious layout or a compact view, you can easily adjust these settings to complement your daily routine. So, let's dive into the steps and make your Gmail interface work just the way you like it. To begin, log into your Gmail account in any web browser of your choice. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, you'll notice a small gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This is the settings icon, and it serves as the gateway to personalizing your Gmail experience. Simply click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. When the menu opens, you'll notice one of the options listed as density. This feature controls the spacing between your emails in the inbox. By default, Gmail usually sets this to a standard view which offers a balanced middle ground. However, if you're interested in changing this default setup, I'll show you how. After selecting the settings icon, observe the options that are now available under the density section. Here you are presented with three choices: default, comfortable, and compact. The default setting, as previously mentioned, offers a fairly equal distribution of space, providing a moderate between text and layout space. This can suit most users but may not work for everyone. Let's explore the comfortable option. By selecting comfortable, the text and email messages are spaced out more generously. This is an excellent choice for those who prefer a more open look, giving each email a little breathing room. It's particularly useful if you spend a lot of time reading emails and want to reduce visual clutter. Lastly, we have the compact view. Opting for compact prioritizes fit and function, tightening the space between each email. This setting is ideal for users who want to see as many emails as possible on their screen at once without excessive scrolling. It's a practical choice for busy inboxes or when you're managing lots of conversations simultaneously. To finalize your selection, simply click on the desired option, and Gmail will automatically adjust your inbox view to match your preference. Remember that you can revisit these steps anytime if you wish to switch between these settings depending on your current needs or project requirements. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to modify the text density and spacing in Gmail to suit your personal style. Changing these settings can significantly impact your user experience and make daily email management much smoother. I hope this guide helps you personalize your Gmail to better fit your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.